Nothing captures the spirit of Renault's innovation better than video, and now Americhip brings the excitement and exhilaration of the driving experience directly into the consumer's hands with video in print. The world's leading advertisers recognize video in print as a powerful new medium, combining the best attributes of print and broadcast to produce a wholly new and inventive way to communicate your brand story. From Americhip, developer and producer of the first ever video magazine insert.